Alright, good morning everybody. Yesterday I got the planer put together in the garage, which didn't take a second to do, but which Bentley is no longer with us, so Lori's wanting a Shawdow box. I never even heard of them until not too long ago. Built, so I'm gonna build her a little Shawdow box for Bentley and let you guys go along and watch and see how I do it, or did it, I guess. So hope it turns out good. So getting closer with it, put the roof on it. So I'm do plexiglass here on the front of it. I ain't got a real good plan yet, which I never do most time, but it's stuck back together. But anyway, that's kind of what it looked like. I'm gonna cut a few more boards. I've just kind of been running in and out quite a bit, trying to cut pieces. I think that'll fit pretty good. Should be about ready to go. Kind of got the roof almost already made here. We're down putting a backing on it and the roof. So here's my plan for the backing. Do the whole thing. And I think that'd be fine.
This is adorable. Oh, nice.
It's probably reading your credit card number now.
Oh, it's not. It's not even in the shot.
Oh.
But thank you. That is so nice. It's really coming along. Love it.
Get closer at this box. I'm gonna put a little barn door up here. Leave these two open, set stuff. And this here will have plexiglass in this section right here. Alright, we got the shadow box done.
For our sweet Bentley's favorite toys and pictures and babies.
And there's a ton.
It's amazing. We're going to put a clear stain on it, and then we'll be able to put the plexiglass on it.
So the pictures, toys.
You did the beautiful work.
The last piece is coming off.
You did amazing. We'll put a picture of our garage on the outside, and this is the top of it. This is where Bentley's garage would have been, the door.
Does the barn doors open?
Yes, the barn doors open, and it's going to have a little baby picture of sweet little Bentley, which we'll have to take. So there's going to be another canvas of baby Bentley with his little first collar.
I think the light is glaring off that pretty bad, but maybe you can see it.
We also have a name tag still coming that has his name and birthday and when he passed away.
So that's it. We got a couple of things put in, but we can hang it up on the wall. And is that inside or out?
I think it's inside.
I do too.
I think it got scratched going up.
I was afraid of that.
But that's okay.
So, yeah, I was kind of afraid of that.
It's pretty. It's perfect.
All right, we're gonna go hang it.
Yay.
Okay, this might be a little better shot. Without the light being on it.
Bentley's little shadow box.
I know you guys can't see it, but there's a little bitty scratch right there.
From where?
We brought in off this door.
But this was Bentley's, all of his favorite things. He was so little, and I love that we can see Smarty Cat, because he was so tiny. The only toys he could get was his cat toys. That's his hair clippings, his first teddy bear, and his rabbit, and his favorite thing of all things was his bears and his lamb. Pictures of us and him and our sweet little dog Harley that he's in heaven with. This opens and looks exactly like our garage. So there's going to be another canvas picture of him being a baby, and his first collar is going to go in there. I haven't gotten it yet, but it's on its way. This is one of my favorite pictures of Mr. Bentley.
So that's it. We're gonna go hang it, and we'll show you the end results here when we get the name tag and all that and hang on the wall.
It's amazing. He did such a great job. And show you a picture of what this mimics. Bentley's favorite spot was right over there next to these doors.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, we got the Shawdow box hanging. The Bentley. And we got
The loft.
Got the loft. We still got a picture coming for that
And we have
loft.
a nameplate coming.
And a nameplate coming. Yeah, it'll be a couple of weeks before we get that. But that's it for the Shawdow box. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.